everyone, my name is Bindu. Welcome back to my channel. In today's world, everyone is trying to create a second income source. And the second income source for some is YouTube videos. And for some, it is creating a website. For some, it's creating their own business, starting up their own business. And for some, creating apps on their mobiles. All of these are becoming second source of income for so many of them. And the most popular source of income people are choosing these days is none other than YouTube. That is because people usually think that YouTube doesn't need any technical skills, or it requires only minimum technical skills and they can easily pursue their career in YouTube. But what if I tell you there's another easy way that can create another income source for you? And if you are consistent with it and if you try to learn it properly, it can also become the primary income source. There are so many people who are making millions and millions of rupees from this source, and that is web development. And when I say web development, I know many of you get scared because some of you might not have technical background, or some of you might be scared of writing the code, but that's not the case. We now have Python language that makes the web development very easy. Trust me on this. In the next 5 to 6 videos, I'm going to show you how to create a website, and we will also publish this website, okay? I'm going to create a website from scratch and publish that website. You will learn all the steps that are needed from scratch. I'm not telling you that I'm going to show you like a crazy website with all crazy features like Facebook, Instagram, but I'm going to show you that web development is not crazy task. It's not a difficult task. You actually can do it. I'll show you how to create a simple website and how to publish it onto the web. And now you can think, what's the use of creating a simple website? We always have to start somewhere, right? So we start with simple and we publish it to web, and then we start improvising our website. That's what we will do in the next coming videos. But before getting into that, I want you to install Python. I want you to install Django. Both are open source, so you can install them for free. And now, what is Python and what is Django? Python is a language. It's a programming language, whereas Django, it's a framework. This framework is built using Django. So if you are trying to create a website, you are using Python code, but you are using Django to build your website. Because this is the first video and you are still trying to install things, I want you to install Python and Django first. And then in the next video, in the working session, I'm going to show you what's actually the difference between Django and Python is. That's all for today. See you in the next video where we'll create a simple website. Until then, keep learning and don't forget to install Python and Django.